Yes, guys, he bring back the flash out. Flash right out. Guys, if you don't eat flash out, you're not saying no. All the hot girl them. Flash out and dumpling, flash out and rice, flash out and macaroni. Guys, check it out. Tin mackerel, the good old tin mackerel. The 1, 2, 3 in a pot and ready. Come out. Alright, guys, check out. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday to you all. Welcome to all my subscribers and my prospective subscribers. Pick up on a nice clean self. Guys, remember to like, comment and share up the video. So today guys, today is Sunday and I'm going to show you what I've got back from Jamaica. All the goodies that my husband bring for me. So guys, do you want to see? Oh, the first thing, my favorite over here is mangoes, East Indian mangoes. So guys, I have 4 lovely East Indian mangoes over here. Yes guys, look at them. Yes guys, sweet East Indian mangoes, my favorite. So that's number 1. So number 2 guys on the list is Nesberries. We call it Nesberry in Jamaica, yes. Big and juicy. Yeah, when your husband bring back good stuff for you from Jamaica, nice stuff for you from Jamaica. Yes, guys. Third favorite, sugar cane. Sugar cane. Yes, guys. I have my jackfruit right here. It's not a lot, but yeah, my jackfruit. Next on the list, my custard apple. Guys, yummy no true. Yes, custard apple. Over here I have my, let me get it for you, my sour sop. Guys, some sour sop juice, some good old sour sop juice. Nice. Look, and it's ripe guys, it's ripe. Sour sop. All of this is from Jamaica. I have some peanuts, raw peanuts here. I have 3 packs. We already started eating 1. So yes guys, peanuts. Here is gizzada. Yes guys, gizzada. It's coconut dough. Yes, gizzada. I have my Easter bun. This is carnation Easter bun too. I love carnation Easter bun. I have yummy also, yummy Easter bun. Yes guys. I also have awesome small spice bun. It's Easter coming around. Awesome small spice bun also. I also have cinnamon bread, and this is rock cake, Miss Birdie rock cake. I also have my rock cake right here. Guys, how can you go to Jamaica without bringing back the Jamaican rum? The Jamaican rum. I have the rum right here. We have Sanchez rum cream. Guys, my going with himself, not true? Yes, he's going with himself. Yes, we have the good old Blue Mountain coffee. The good old Blue Mountain coffee. And we have not 1 but 3 coffees. Guys, check them out. 3 coffees from Blue Mountain. Yeah, we have coffee for days. Coffee for days, guys. Guys, make your pot taste good. Well seasoned and Maggie season up. Okay? Maggie season up. This is the all-purpose. I also have the chicken over here. Maggie chicken. Yes guys, I got 3 Maggie chicken. 3 all-purpose. I also have the fish. And guys, new on the market, is a Maggie complete seasoning. It's with garlic, thyme, onion. Guys, check it out. The newest Maggie on the block. I also have my Grace fish and meat seasoning right here. Grace fish and meat. Yes, guys. Spur tree, spice it up. Spur tree, spice it up, guys. Look at it. Yes. Got a lot of stuff from Jamaica. And Miracle fish and meat seasoning. So guys, it's not only one brand that is good in Jamaica. We have all the nice things over there. All the nice brand. Yes, guys, we have Grace, we have Spur tree, we have Maggie. Guys, yes, guys, we bring back the flash out. Flash right out. Guys, if you don't eat flash out, you're not saying no. All the hot girl them. Flash out and dumpling, flash out and rice, flash out and macaroni. Guys, check it out. Tin mackerel, the good old tin mackerel. The 1, 2, 3 in a pot and ready come out. Alright guys, check out my Jamaican stuff. So guys, how can I have so much bun without my tasty cheese? Guys, look how it tin big. Look how the tin big. Tasty cheese. Guys, come on guys. How can I have so much bun without my tasty cheese, guys? Yes guys, I'm gonna eat the bun and cheese for Easter. Check it out, my big bun and cheese. I have baked bean also, guys. Baked bean, Grace baked bean with saltfish. Yes, I have Lasco baked bean also. So I have Grace and I have Lasco. Guys, my thing turn up. Guys, you see how the thing go? My thing turn up. The Jamaican stuff them come right out, guys. Look what I have again. Right here I have wine slice, guys. Wine slice. Look at it. Guys, 1 month straight. I just made Jamaican food me I eat. Me I eat Jamaican good up food. Look. Look at it, guys. Yes guys, so that's my wine slice. What I did not show you, guys, we have the Appleton also. Appleton Estate. Appleton. We have this. Guys, Magnum, yes. Guys, it's first time I'm seeing this one. Look at it. The coconut rum stripe. Coconut rum stripe. Guys, I don't have liquor, so yeah, coconut rum stripe for who consume liquor. This is new on the block in Jamaica. Rummy, rum stripe, cranberry, rum stripe cranberry, guys. First time I'm seeing this one also. Rum stripe cranberry. Guys, Jamaica thing turn up. The food from Jamaica turn up. Hey, it turn up till the buck, guys. So much Jamaican food. Guys, last but not least, guys, oh, can I forget my juicy patties? My juicy patties, guys. Come along with me. Guys, my juicy patties, I already unpacked them and put them in my freezer, guys. My juicy patties, guys. Mouth watering, not true? You wish I could have some right now. For those who are not Jamaican, you wish I could have some. I could share. Just put it in the comment section. Alright, guys? Guys, we also bring back the national dish. The national dish. We have starfish up here, so guys, ackee and starfish. Yes, guys, we also bring back the national dish, ackee and starfish, guys. Make sell off right now. Make sell right off. Where's the Tyrell? Sell right off. The Jamaican things, them. Turn up. Guys, look, I also have my OTET apples. My OTET apples, guys. Come on, we are going to have a blast of Jamaican food.
This one.
Yes, Tyrell is showing that he also have peas, red peas, right, Tyrell?
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, my Jamaican thing them still right off. Guys, look at this also. Rum punch in a box. Jamaican rum punch. So guys, we have Jamaican things. Days my husband tap me up. Stack up. We stack up of Jamaican. Vienna sachet. This is not Grace, it is Caribbean choice. It tastes just like Grace. Alright? Yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna give you a little run through of all that I
A few moments later.
guys, let us check out our Nesberry. Guys, it is so delicious. I can't explain. I haven't had a Nesberry in 1 year and 3 months. Guys, bring me back home to Jamaica, the land that we all love. Guys, this very tastes good. My dinner. I'm just washing my rice. Alright, this is my rice and peas. Rice and peas and baked. Trinity. Send it. Baked chicken, barbecue sauce, back my chicken in the oven. I'm here preparing Sunday dinner, cleaning up my kitchen. Chit chat. Some water.